Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like an interactive table of contents on Google Docs. So when you select the title, it will go to that chapter. So select the title, go to normal text, and you can select either title or subtitle or heading or whatever. I'm just going to select title for this one. You can also, I think, update the title to match the title here. And then again for this one, you're going to do the same. Title, update title to match. And if you select the document outline, there's going to be the titles on there. Here, if I added it again, it's going to add in more. So if I selected this, it's going to go to that chapter, I guess. But that is basically it. Super simple to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!